Hey, I'm Sarah. Salesforce's new AI agent platform just crossed $800 million in revenue in 2 years. Today, what Agentforce actually is and how brokers can get the same Agentic AI without the enterprise price tag. Let's get into it.
Agentforce is closing in on $800 million in annual recurring revenue just 2 years after launch. Today, we're breaking down what it actually does, where it shows up in mortgage operations, and why it matters even if your brokerage will never sign a Salesforce contract. Here's our roadmap: what Agentforce really is, how it's different from the automation you already have, where it shows up inside a mortgage shop, and a practical checklist you can use to evaluate any CRM, including the one you're on right now. These numbers tell the story. 800 million in ARR, 29,000 deals closed, and all of that in just 2 years. This isn't a pilot program anymore. It's running inside the CRMs that banks and large lenders already use every day. At its core, Agentforce is an AI agent platform that completes an entire task, not just answers a question about it. It reads the situation, checks the CRM data, decides what to do, and takes the action, confirming the result or handing off to a person with a summary. The real difference from ordinary automation: a workflow rule only covers what someone already predicted. An agent is built for the situations nobody wrote a rule for. So, how is this different from the automation most CRMs already ship with? Workflow automation fires under exact, pre written conditions. If loan status equals approved, send an email. It only covers what someone anticipated. Agentic AI reads context, makes a judgment call, and takes the action itself, only escalating to a person when it genuinely gets stuck. Salesforce also launched Agentforce Operations in April, aimed squarely at back office bottlenecks, the kind of work where someone's switching between 5 systems and digging through email for a status update. And the business case is real. A Freddie Mac study puts the average cost to originate a single mortgage at over $11,500. The pitch isn't cutting loan officers out, it's handing off the repetitive middle of the file. Here's what doesn't make the demo: Financial Services Cloud plus Agentforce is enterprise software, priced and implemented like enterprise software. Contact sales pricing, rollouts that run for months, and you'll need a certified admin or consulting partner just to configure your first agent. It's built for banks and multi-state lenders, not a 5-person brokerage running off a laptop. So what does this look like for everyone else? MoserBus was built around the same underlying idea: a CRM that can act, not just store data. The smart AI chatbot can create borrowers, pull pipeline reports, and navigate the app from a voice or text command. The AI automation builder lets you describe a workflow in plain English, and it assembles the sequence, no admin or consultant required. When a lead goes cold, it's tempting to assume the borrower wasn't serious. More often, nobody followed up fast enough. An agent that drafts and sends that follow-up the moment a lead goes quiet doesn't get busy, distracted, or pulled into another file. And because MoserBus already runs on Twilio and SendGrid, it can act the instant the pipeline flags a stall. Salesforce's push into Agentic AI hands us a useful checklist for any CRM. Does it take action on its own, or just alert someone? Can you describe a workflow in plain language and have the system build it? Does it connect to the tools you actually use? And can it read a document and act on what's inside it, not just store the file? Agentforce is real, and the numbers back it up. But the idea behind it, an AI layer that acts inside your CRM instead of just organizing it, isn't locked behind an enterprise contract anymore. Take a look at MoserBus in action, or schedule a quick demo to see the chatbot and automation builder run on a live mortgage pipeline.